The Indigo crisis continues to spiral, with the airline cancelling more than 500 flights on Monday alone. According to the Civil Aviation Ministry, nearly 6 lakh passengers have been affected so far, making this one of the biggest operational breakdowns in recent aviation history. The ministry also said that the airline has already refunded over 827 crore rupees to impacted passengers and managed to deliver around 4,500 pieces of misplaced baggage. Addressing the Rajya Sabha, Union Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu Kinjarappu placed the responsibility squarely on Indigo. He told the House that the crisis was entirely due to the airline's internal systems and insisted that the government was not taking the issue lightly. He added that an inquiry was underway and promised strict action, both for this incident and as a precedent for the future. Indigo, on its part, said it's bound formed a crisis management group to handle the situation. The airline explained that the group meets daily and has listed the restoration of full operational integrity as its top priority. It also said it operated nearly 1,600 flights on Sunday and was working to stabilize operations. Meanwhile, the Civil Aviation Ministry stated that the situation was gradually improving. Officials noted that Indigo's performance had shown steady progress and that the airline expected to operate around 1,650 flights by the end of the day. But the scrutiny is far from over. The Parliamentary Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture is expected to summon top officials from Indigo as well as the Civil Aviation Ministry. Members of the committee reportedly believe the matter is of national importance and needs to be examined thoroughly. They want clarity on why the crisis occurred and how various stakeholders from the airline to the airport authorities may have contributed to the chaos. On the regulatory front, the DGCA had earlier issued show-cause notices to Indigo's top officials, demanding explanations within 24 hours. However, the aviation watchdog later granted an extension after CEO Peter Elvers and accountable manager Isidro Porqueras sought additional time. Officials said the executives requested the extension due to operational constraints linked to the scale of disruptions across multiple airports. The responses from Indigo's leadership as well as the findings from the ongoing inquiry and the parliamentary review are expected to play a crucial role in determining what comes next for India's largest airline and for the millions of passengers who rely on it daily.